Will they object? Wouldn't put it past them. I'm hoping not, because I really do think the law is on our side now, and it would just be a waste of time and energy. So now what is the question? We still have arrears. Arrears, like I said, tens of thousands of dollars piling up. And again, that's why the driver's license got suspended. The family court, unfortunately, cannot vacate the arrears without vacating the underlying order. That's one of the powers they don't have, unfortunately. And that's why we're in the middle of appealing. We have 2 appeals going right now, based on my client wasn't told he can have an attorney, and based on the fact that he really didn't mean to miss court. He had a good defense. He told them about his defense. He submitted paperwork in advance. He went to the other previous court hearings and contacted the court immediately within an hour of missing it, when he thought he was trying to get into the virtual courtroom and they wouldn't let him in, only to find out they already issued the default order. So we're really hoping now we just got the order. He's going to take it to the DMV. Hopefully they lift his driver's license suspension and he can find a new job. I know he's here visiting and has to go back, but he's hoping to get the driver's license first. So what does this all teach us? Well, number one, litigation is frustrating. But you got to keep fighting. You got to keep going. When you know you're right, you got to stand by it. And I'm very confident in our position here. I was, as happy as I was when this all went down last week, I wasn't as happy as I normally am when I win, just because I knew it wasn't over for the client. Sometimes I know it's not over, and at least we can have a moment to breathe. But that's how I felt when the family court first granted our motion to lift the license. Then all of a sudden, child support collection unit steps in, and it's been 8 or 9 months since we first filed the motion. I mean, it's insane how long these things take. So I'm just kind of holding my breath, waiting to hear. But yeah, litigate on fire for sure. I mean, no one should have to go through this. And, this is a guy who really does want to pay the child support amount. He just wants it fair. He also has a modification petition pending. We were able to get the judge to cut the amount he has to pay a month in half. It's still way too high based on the fact that he can't work right now. So we will be having a hearing on that in the future. And then hopefully, really, I'm going to be submitting this appeal this week, at least the first appeal. And hopefully the appellate division agrees with us, vacates the order, remands it for a new hearing, and then he can be given due process and a chance to present his case. That is all for now for Litigate on Fire. Thanks for watching episode number 2. Don't forget to like us and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you are watching. If you know someone who may find this helpful, or you did yourself, click that share button, that save button, or leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. We'll be back next time with episode number 3. It may or may not be the same case. Still feeling out this series. So again, drop a line in the comments. Let me know what you think. And if you need an attorney for family or immigration, our contact information has been scrolling across the bottom of your screen. Please feel free to reach out. We look forward to helping as many people as we can. Thank you.